Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at using EasyBib. It's an online citation tool with free elements. There's also some paid elements, but we're going to talk you through how it actually works today. So the first thing you have to do is Google EasyBib. You can see the link here is just www.easybib.com. You're going to need to create an account. The account just takes a valid email address and a password that you create. That's all the information you need to give them. And then you get this page that comes up with the citation lists, and yours would start with none. I've got a couple that I've been working on, religion one and a world government one. And then I can create a new list. So this is kind of the portal entrance for you to work on and keep your different works cited stored. So I have my lists, I can edit my profile, I can upgrade to get the premium version because the free version only includes the MLA citation. You can get APA in Chicago, but again, you'd have to upgrade to get that. So these are two works cited that I've been working on, and at this point, I'm going to go ahead and start a new list. We're going to put a name in there, and this one's going to be US Government Info. That's what we're going to call it. We create that list. And now you can see it added another one to my list there. That way I have all three of my different citations available. I'm ready to go, and I can begin working on those. So if we go into this U.S. Government's one, just click on it, and it's loading. Seems a little slow today. There it goes. All right. One thing is there's some advertising on these pages. Just be aware of those when you're working. But anyway, you can see now we're in my list that's the U.S. government info. I've got MLA 7 working, which is the newest version of MLA. And then you can see it kind of walks you right through this process for us. So we're going to click here and we're going to start a new source. One of the best things about EasyBib is all the different available citation types. Everything from a thesis to journals to databases, you name it, just about all of it's here. The first one we're going to cite is going to be a website today. So you click on that, and we've got a source type where we can look at all these different types of things. And if you look through there, there's a whole bunch of different options for you. But for right now, we're just going to put the web address of our current website that we want to put in there. So I grab this, copy it from here. This is the CIA's website on world leaders. I paste that in there, and we've got that. I need to go back and get my article title now. My article title is World Leaders. So I've got that. I go back in here and I paste that right in there. Another thing you're noticing is the help boxes helps you and gives you some details about MLA specifics so that the rules are correct in your citations. Let's go back and see if we can find an author now on that website. If we look down here, yeah, there's no real specific person named as the author of this site, so we're just going to put the CIA as the author. Actually, if you look, we can be more specific and we can say site editor. And here we're just going to put the corporation or the group, right? That would be the CIA. All right. So we continue down the line here. Our website title, if we go back, we can look at the website title. It's just the Central Intelligence Agency. So let's see if we can just copy that. No, we can't do that. So we're going to have to go in here and type that. So Central Intelligence Agency. We also know that that's the publisher of this page. So we can copy that and put that in there. Paste. We already have our URL, so let's just go back up here again and grab that again. Whoops, might be easier just to go back and get it. There we go. And we copy that, and we go back to our EasyBib page here. We paste that URL in there, and we're all set. Now we need to find the date and the date accessed. So the date that it was last updated And look, you can see real well that on July 29th it appears was the last time it was updated. So we'll go the 29th. We'll put in July right there. And then 2008 was our year. And again, you can see some of those help boxes are coming up. And then let's put in the date. So 3 March 2010. All right, and so we've got all our boxes filled in, and let's create our citation. And there it is. Now you actually have the option to copy and paste this right into your document if you want. You can export it to Word, which creates a whole new Word document. You can copy and paste, which creates an HTML page that you can copy and paste things from, or you can just go ahead and email that to you. And after you get a bunch in here, you can actually sort them by alphabetical, by date, by description, or you can go in and you can look at the different ways that you can check these things. So there's some really good tools here to help you out. That's as easy as it gets for EasyBib. We could start another source right here if we wanted to. I hope that helps you, and good luck citationing.